Got some flooding out there if you're traveling along 101 right northbound at Lucky Drive. That's in Corte Madera. You've got some roadway flooding. A little further down eastbound 580 just west of High Street in Oakland. You've got flooding. You've also got an accident there, so things are moving a little slow. I might just hop on 880 because of that. Also eastbound at San Pablo Dam Road in San Pablo, there is an accident there, and that off ramp is impacted. Our other highways, for the most part, you're looking at green, but remember, everything's pretty slick, so you definitely want to drive slow this morning. Traveling into the city right now, it says 8 minutes, but again, the bridge is a slick one on the eastbound side. I'm seeing reports of sitting puddles of water on the Bay Bridge, so be mindful of that. The San Mateo Bridge, you can see just how slick things are, 13 minutes there. Our Richmond San Rafael Bridge, about 8 minutes as you travel out of Richmond this morning. And the Golden Gate Bridge, 37 to the toll, is going to be about 20 minutes. If you're up in the Napa area, Highway 29 and 121, both impacted by flooding and closed down there. So be mindful of that if you are traveling.